To create or view gym registration requests in the FitSquare app, go to Property Requests in the left menu. To view or edit an existing request, click the three dots next to the gym's information and select View or Update. To create a new request, click the Add New button. This will open the gym request information page. Select the brand from the drop-down menu. If you want the gym payments to go to the brand payout, check the Is Brand Payment option. If not, uncheck it and choose a separate payout method for this gym by selecting Payment Account and picking a payout from the drop-down. You can now update the gym's basic details like area, name, email, public phone number, and description. Note: any changes made will be visible in the FitSquare app once admin accepts the request, so please make updates carefully. Enter the address in the address name box and choose your gym from the drop-down. You can also update the city, full address, and locality if needed. Once you're done, click Save and continue to move to the Timings section. On the Timings page, set your gym's hours for each day. First, check the Is Open box for the days your gym operates. Then, click Add Timings to set the opening and closing times in 24-hour format. If your gym has different shifts, like 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 11 p.m., click Add Timings again to add the second set of hours. Repeat this for each day your gym is open. Once you're done, click Save and continue to move to the Advanced section. In the Advanced section, select the facilities and equipment available at your gym from the drop-down menu. You can also list additional services your gym offers, like calisthenics, boxing, MMA, etc. To grant access to this property's information to someone else, click Add Manager, enter their email, and set their permissions. If you've already added a manager in the brand information, you don't need to add them again. The manager from the brand information will automatically have access to all gyms under that brand. To add trainers to your gym, click Add Staff, choose Gym Trainer as the staff type, then click Add Employee. Enter the trainer's name, experience, and type. If your gym has more than one trainer, click Add Employee again to add more. Once everything is set, click Save and continue. Here, you can see all your gym requests. Once the admin approves a request, your gym will appear in the FitSquare app, and you can manage further details from the Manage Properties page. To view older requests, use the navigation at the bottom. You can also apply filters by clicking the Filters button at the top.